مامۆستا چۆن بە ئینگلیزی ئەمریکی بڵێم بوو بە کەر بازار. Well, if you translate it directly, you get it became a donkey market. But your American friends might not understand what you mean. They don't have very much experience with donkeys. Here are two English sayings you can use. 1. All hell broke loose. جهنم بەتەواوی هاتە دەرم. Or 2. It was pandemonium. Pandemonium واتە باردۆخێکی شێت و پڕ لە سترێس. You can use either of these two sayings for بوو بە کەر بازار. One time my family was in the Istanbul airport when a huge winter snowstorm canceled hundreds of flights. Everyone was stuck in the airport trying desperately to get a flight or to get a hotel. People were yelling, they were pushing, no one had any answers. It was crazy. Arasti boob hakar bazar. Have you ever been in a situation where all hell broke loose or where it was pandemonium? Let us know in the comments.